Paperguide makes research simple for researchers, faculty, and students. It helps you discover, read, manage, and write research with ease. With Paperguide, you can review literature faster, understand and extract key data from scientific papers 10x quicker, stay organized, save all your research in one place, collaborate with others, take notes, and ask questions, write smarter, speed up paper writing. From the history section, you can easily edit past work, revisit old workbooks, and access previous chats with articles, keeping all your research in one place. With Paperguide, you can AI research, find the research you need in seconds, literature review, summarize key insights quickly, extract data, pull out important information with comfort, reference manager, organize and cite sources effortlessly, AI writer, get writing assistance to speed up your work, chat with PDFs and papers, ask questions and get insights instantly, Chrome extension, beta, access Paperguide anywhere while browsing. Now, let's explore these features in detail. The writer feature allows you to write papers, essays, and conduct research on any topic effortlessly. Start by opening a new document. First, select Create Outline and enter your topic. You'll see options like weak prompt and moderate prompt, which help you refine your topic for more detailed and accurate results. You can also choose your preferred language and reference style. For example, I'm selecting APA 7th edition. Next, it will ask for a knowledge source. If you want to use research from databases or your own references, you can select both. From References Generator, you can add specific articles by entering a DOI, website links, or even uploading PDFs. If you want to add your own references, please do it before creating the outline. And you can also choose option Only Public Research Database. This ensures your research is based on selected sources. Once everything is set, click Generate Outline. Now, you have a detailed outline. If you want to shorten it or remove unwanted headings, you can edit it easily. You can also add new sections. For example, I felt the need to include recommendations at the end, so I added strategies as a section. If you are writing a research paper, you can structure it with headings like Introduction, Background, Objectives, Research Questions, Literature Review, etc. Since I'm happy with my outline, I'll continue with it. For each heading, click Ask AI and then continue writing to generate a paragraph. Press Enter, and you'll receive a fully written paragraph with citations. If you need to add another paragraph, simply repeat the process. You can generate content for each section based on your required word count. If you need an opposing argument, click Ask AI and select Opposing Argument, and it will provide a well-researched counterpoint with citations. If you need a transition between ideas, click Write a Transition, and it will generate a smooth transition paragraph. In case you feel something is missing or needs further discussion, just give an instruction. For example, I asked for key points on innovation, and it provided detailed points with citations. If you prefer citations from specific articles, click Cite, go to My References, and select the article you want to cite. You can also add graphs. If you need a graph for statistical findings, simply type Make a related graph, and it will generate one with a brief explanation. Once your paper is complete, click Save, and it will be downloaded in Word format with citations and references. Lastly, you can check plagiarism by clicking on the plagiarism checker. As you can see, it shows 0% plagiarism, ensuring your work is original. Now we will move to second feature, that is literature review. Paperguide's literature review feature streamlines the research process by allowing you to quickly search, analyze, and organize academic papers. Powered by AI, it helps you gather key findings, methodologies, conclusions, and more insights from relevant research. You can find papers, analyze papers, conduct systematic literature review. From your Paperguide homepage, navigate to the Literature Review tab, enter a detailed research question or topic in the search bar. The more specific you are, the more precise and useful the results will be. Based on your question and selected source, Paperguide will searches through Paperguide's extensive research database of 200 million academic papers and provide the 10 most relevant papers related to your topic. Summary generation. Paperguide will provide a concise summary of your research question, generated from the key insights found in these top 10 papers. Alongside the summary, Paperguide will create a literature review table that includes paper details and columns to compare and analyze the papers. In the literature review table columns, you can also load more papers. You can add more columns to the table, such as key findings, which will display a key findings section for each paper. If you need other sections like methodology or limitations, you can add them. Paperguide will analyze the paper and provide relevant details for each column. You can also remove a section by clicking here. Click on the column heading and then click on Remove button. In your literature review table, locate the column customization icon on top right of the table. You can create a custom column, such as theoretical columns. After adding custom instructions, click Add Column. I added these columns randomly, but you need to follow a proper structure. After Insights, the usual order is Methodology, then Key Findings, and finally Limitations. You can also add research questions and interventions for a broader comparison. There is also a filter option, where you can choose how old or recent the articles should be. You can also request only articles that have PDFs available and are open access. For better results, you can also choose your field. After adding everything, just export it. You can export it in your preferred format. The next amazing feature is AI search. Paperguide's AI search feature allows you to ask questions and instantly receive research-backed answers along with relevant papers and documents, making your research faster and super efficient. From the home page, select the AI search tab. Ask your research-related question in the AI search tab. Paperguide will search through the 200 million research database and generate answer backed by research papers to your question. You can again do filter setting as we did in literature review section. Along with the answer, you'll receive a list of the top relevant papers used to generate the response, shown in the References section. Click on Citations to view paper and create a new chat with paper. Good thing is that in AI search feature we also have Analyze Table section. You can analyze and compare different studies in table and get key insights like methodology, hypothesis, study designs, independent and dependent variables, research gaps, etc. And you can also export this table. Next feature is Reference Manager. Paperguide's Reference Manager is a powerful tool that helps you organize, store, and manage your references in one place. You can add papers by uploading a link or DOI of your articles. You can also search for papers online, upload PDFs files, or import references from Zotero by logging into your Zotero account. Additionally, there is an option to add references manually. To search for a paper online, enter the name of your topic or question and click Add Papers. The selected papers will be added to your personal reference manager. You can then use these papers while writing research papers or essays with the AI writing tool, which we discussed at the beginning of the video. If you want to read a paper in detail, click on the paper and then select Chat with Paper. This feature allows you to ask questions to analyze the paper in depth. It helps you understand your topic better by providing key findings without having to read the entire paper. You can also ask for specific sections like methodology, limitations, abstract, etc. You can copy and share this chat as well. This is useful if you are collaborating with peers on a research paper, as you can share insights with them directly. To organize your references, you can tag related articles by clicking the tag option and adding a tag name. You can also manage tags from here, which helps in structuring references, especially for large research projects. Next feature is Chat with PDF and Papers. Paperguide provides powerful tools to help you interact with your documents or research papers. Chat with PDF, URL, and references. These features allow you to ask questions and gain insights directly from your uploaded PDF, documents, or papers in your reference library. From the Paperguide homepage, select the Chat with PDF and Paper tab. Click on the Upload area or Select button to add your PDF file. You can also provide the URL of an article or web page by clicking on Upload URL option at the bottom left of the Upload area box. Once uploaded, click on Proceed button and you'll be navigated to Chat interface. You can select a suggested question to chat with the PDF. It will provide a detailed answer by analyzing the content of the PDF. You can also ask for key findings or the limitations of the paper. This is the second PDF that I am going to analyze using this feature. You can also enter your own question, such as what is the focus of this paper, For a broader analysis, you can ask more specific questions. For example, I asked about the principles of humanitarianism discussed in the paper. The tool will then provide a detailed answer by analyzing the PDF. Paperguide's extract data feature helps streamline the research process by allowing you to extract and organize key information from academic papers or other documents you work on. Go to Extract Data tab on Home page. In the Extract Data interface, choose the papers or documents you want to analyze from your reference manager. This feature works best when selecting multiple papers to compare them side by side. Upon clicking Proceed, Paperguide will create a table from the selected papers, which you can then use to review, summarize, or dig deeper into your topic by adding custom columns. You can extract methodology, key findings, primary outcomes, limitations, and more. Table format columns will help you to compare these sections more effectively. You can also extract only research gaps and future research from your selected articles. This will help you compare research gaps across different papers, making it easier to identify a new research gap to start your research paper. Next feature is Chrome extension, beta. Search for the Paperguide Chrome extension on Google and add it to Chrome. Since I am already logged in, it has now been added to my browser. Next, open any article that you are studying or want to include in your paper. Then, open the Paperguide extension and click on Ask AI. You can choose from the suggested questions, and it will provide a detailed answer based on the article. If you want to ask a different question, such as identifying the research gap, simply type it in. Paperguide will analyze the article and extract the research gap for you. The Paperguide Chrome extension is extremely helpful for directly analyzing research papers and extracting key insights efficiently. Now that we discussed all features of Paperguide. With these powerful features, literature review, extract data, reference manager, AI writer, chat with PDF and papers, and the Chrome extension, beta, Paperguide makes research easier and more efficient. Try it now and take your academic writing to the next level. With the free version of Paperguide, you get 10 AI generations per day. But if you want unlimited AI generations, use the link in the description to subscribe. You'll receive a 30% discount on the annual subscription and a 20% discount on the monthly subscription upon registration. You can also use my discount coupon given in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful content.